everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore to get current weather details using Python. This is our Python script for to get current weather details. Visit OpenWeatherMap.org to get an API key for our Python script. First, you will create an account. Then go to the API key tab to get your API key. Paste the API key into your Python script to get the current weather details. Now we execute our Python script. First, you select the city and press the button. Our output will show the weather status, temperature, humidity, and wind speed. Here we take 5 cities: Lucknow, Bengaluru, Pune, Delhi, and Tamil Nadu for our output. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share your valuable thoughts in the comments. Your feedback means the world to us.